Good morning, everybody. This is Lorraine Alternative Homesteading. It appears as if the community watch, the citizens on patrol, the local witches on patrol have a keen sense of humor. So let me show you. I was walking from my house and I noticed some kind of a satellite dish up here. So here we have somebody actually dug a post right here. And guess where it's facing? It's facing directly at my house. And look at what it says here. Trick or treat do. Happy Halloween, DirectTV. And then there's a witch. Yeah, of course, there's a low battery. And then there's a witch, trick or treat. Happy Halloween, warning, touching this device while standing in full sunlight may result in serious damage to all vampires. Well, trick or treat, trick or treat. So this is the way it is attached. I want you to see this. It says DirectTV. Now let's see, is there any electrical coming to it? I don't see anything coming to it. But look at this. Is that amazing? So this is what happens in rural Kentucky. People have nothing better to do with their sorry-ass lives. Happy Halloween warning. Touching this device while standing in full sunlight may result in serious damage to all vampires. And then on the bottom here it says Hillbilly Mafia. Oh, Hillbilly Mafia. Oh, isn't that interesting? Oh, they're so funny. So funny. So anyway, here's an evidentiary video of their Halloween stunt. I'm sure there'll be others because, you know, these witchy poos, they spend most of their time like midnight, 4 a.m. 3 a.m. is their special bewitching hour. You can see here that they've already sprayed the skies this morning. Let me show you. It's a little bit breezy. Oh, we've got a predator in the air. And no, it's not the CIA. I call the CIA the criminals in the air, but here's a hawk. I don't know if you can see that, guys. Yeah, the hawks run around here when they're hungry and they try to swoop up one of the birds. But hope everybody's doing well. Let me show you the skies here. And look at all these leaves that have fallen. It's too breezy here to even rake. So let me show you the skies. Oh, there's the hawk. Right up there. No, you're not taking one of my birds, so move on, move on. But, yeah, it's flying like right over. It probably sees my birds and thinks it's going to swoop down. Usually when these birds are above and they see a human around, they'll split, especially if I'm like waving something in the air. But it's supposed to be in the mid-70s today. It was like 62 when I woke up this morning. That's quite a contrast from the way it was a couple of days ago when I woke up. It was 37. So guys, so what do you think of the DirectTV witchy poo sign, huh? And of course, where's it pointed? It's pointed towards my direction. Hilarious, right? Hilarious. They're so obvious. So I'm going to call the town and ask when they're going to be removing it. And if it's permanently there. Because it does say DirectTV. And if that's somebody's DirectTV post, it needs to move. So anyway, here's Marco. They just came out of their building here. You want to say hi? Want to say hello to everybody? Nah, not really. Not really. But yeah, there's a hawk right there. And what did I want to say? I had several things stolen from my house, from my bedroom. Now, when you're under surveillance, this is the only way they can know where you place something inside of your house when nobody else goes in there, right? So I bought a Less EMF hat. I'd even mentioned this to David when he was interviewing me. I said, they've stolen it twice, and then I bought another one. They stole that one too, and it was underneath my pillow. You know, how would somebody find it if it's under my pillow? So I actually had two hats under there. Both of them were stolen. I had an EMF scarf that was stolen, a headband, a magnetic strap head, like a sort of like a headband, and I would place it on my ankles, all stolen. So they must work. So now we're not talking about a small change, right? Those EMF hats cost $43 or $45 each, and it's my third one since living in Kentucky. There's no way that anybody would know where anything inside of my house is unless you're being surveilled. So the people out there that are not sure if you're being surveilled, this is how you know. If you hide something in your house and it disappears, or if you place something in your house or apartment and you don't have anybody else come in there. You know, it's one thing if somebody enters your house or apartment and they take something from, like, as soon as they walk in. But for somebody to walk through your entire house, go into your bedroom, and locate something that only you would know exists there, you know you're being watched 24/7. There's no questions asked. So whether it's through the wall radar, remote neural monitoring, surveillance, pinhole cameras, whatever it is that they utilize. There goes Zoom Boy. He's so funny. I took him in last night before the fox came out. I didn't want him hanging out with the fox because then everybody goes to sleep too late. Right, Zoomy? You want to show them how you do the fox jump? But anyway, this is how you know. There are a lot of people out there that are coming to my channel and thanking me and saying, you know, this has been happening to me for years and I had no idea what it was. I thought I was going crazy. You're not crazy. The people that are doing this to you are certifiably psychopathic, sociopathic, pathological. They're addicts, they're addicted to chaos, they're Luciferian Satanists, Freemasons. And yes, it does involve your local government, because I'm telling you that this dish here, what they wrote on it and the fact that it's there, that is that's on the county road. The county has an easement from 15 feet from the center of the road. Although I was told that when you're on a county road, it's not 15 feet, that it's less, because this is like a really small road. But let's say it's 15 feet, right? So 15 feet out, so where that's located would be the easement of my neighbors. You know, the criminals, one that fell in the creek or wherever she fell into and ended up in the county jail. And then the husband who drove down the county road and tore out my gate across the street with his John Deere tractor. So these criminals, they were probably being very busy last night to erect this device. I will be calling the county to find out if it's permanent. And the fact that it's one thing to write a happy Halloween warning, but the fact that they wrote directed energy weapon, here you go, look. And the fact that it says DirectTV, we'll have to call DirectTV. DirectTV. Okay? Hillbilly Mafia. Yeah. Hillbilly Mafia. You should be so smart as the Mafia. The Mafia don't pull tricks like that, let me tell you. They'll just take you out in a heartbeat with a smile on their face. Right, Zoomy? Come this way. Yeah, come this way. Come this way, young man. Come on, this way. Come. Well, anyway, I just got a low battery light, which is so unusual since when I walked out of my house, I had 83% charge on my phone. I haven't photographed anything else. And then, of course, when I started videotaping this, I suddenly have a low battery light. But anyway, come on, Zoomy. Show them how you run. Run. Show them how you run. You hop up in the air. This is why he's named Zoomy. But anyway, I hope everybody's doing well. I'll post a couple of videos later today. I've been busy raking leaves, being put to sleep, stealing my hours, and organizing some things, organizing some files and stuff, and doing a little bit of research. So I'm going to sign off for now, and I'll talk to you guys later.